Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be taking a look at new upcoming animes of spring 2021. But before we start, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as I will be uploading more anime videos just like this. And with that out of the way, let's get started.
Man, I'm just fucking lit. Drink a bottle of this shit, man, bottle of this shit.
At number 10, we have Combatants Will Be Dispatched. It is an isekai comedy fantasy anime. The story follows an evil organization known as Kisaragi Corporation who have taken over the world, and now their mission is to take over another planet. And to fulfill this task, they appoint our protagonist Agent 6.
Get her out real quick, man, get her out real quick. Are you the present or the future? Are you a drinker or a boozer? Are you a giver or a user? Are you a winner or a loser? Yeah. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back.
At number 9, we have Super Cup. This anime kinds of reminds me of Yuru Camp, so it will be interesting to see how this anime will turn out. Story follows Koguma as she starts to make new friends after acquiring an second-hand motorcycle. At number 8, we have Eden Zero. It is an sci-fi fantasy anime from the same author as Fairy Tail. The characters and art style for the anime resemble so much of Fairy Tail that I can say the creator just copy-pasted everything. So it will be interesting to see how this anime will turn out.
Nothing to miss, man, got nothing to miss.
Number 7, we have an anime known as Blue Reflection Ray. Anime is adapted from a game with the same name. It is a magic school anime. I haven't played the game for the anime, so I don't know how this will turn out, but the art style of the anime is so good that it will be interesting to watch.
I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. I swear that I would never fucking back down.
Number 6, we have an anime known as Shadow House. The anime is adapted from the manga with the same name. It is a slice of life supernatural anime. Anime has an interesting premise, so it will be interesting to see what the anime has to offer. At number 5, we have Ijira Naide Nagatoru-san. It is a comedy romance anime, and this will be the only romance anime in my list. Remember Teasing Master Takagi-san? It's the same as that. You can even say it's the sequel for Teasing Master Takagi-san. So get ready for a good laugh.
Angles. Ever since they heard my music, wanna tango.
Number 4, we have Zombieland Saga Revenge. Yes, finally, the second season for Zombieland Saga. Not much information for the anime has been provided yet. Anime only released a trailer. You can check out that trailer on my Instagram. The link will be in the description.
Cause I'm loving what I do and I won't change, no. I feel blessed, I could do this every day, yo.
Pop a couple shots and now I'm fucked up in the bathroom. Got them going off and now they listen like a classroom. Gotta top them off because I told them all they have to. Always popping off the whole squad, gotta pass. Gotta keep your head high through the hate, yo. Gotta make a better life through the pain, yo. Got a chance to do it right, so do your thing, yo. Don't let anybody.
Number 3, we have How Not to Summon a Demon Lord Season 2. Yep, another anime with the second season. You can check out the trailer for the anime on my Instagram. The link will be in the description. If you have not finished the first season for How Not to Summon a Demon Lord, this will be the right time to get into the anime.
I got them coming at me all angles. Ever since they heard my music, wanna tangle. I could feel them try to grab me by the ankles. I can hear them all start to say my name, oh. But it's not about the money or the fame, no. No, it's all about me just doing my thing, yo. Cause I'm loving what I do and I won't change, no. I feel blessed, I could do this every day, yo.
Living every day like it's my last day cause you have to. Any given day could
At number 2 we have My Hero Academia 5th season. Yep, the 5th season for the anime will start premiering from 27th of March. And according to the trailer, we might get to see some pretty amazing stuff. And if you want to watch the trailer, you can follow me on Instagram, the link will be in the description.
Ever leave regretting past news. I'll never be holding back. I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed, yeah, I feel blessed, yeah.
のどかな高原に300年暮らす不老不死の魔女。社畜の私はもういない。
And finally, at number 1 we have I have been killing slimes for 300 years and maxed out my level. I have been following the light novel of the anime for a long time now and have been anticipating the anime for it too. And finally, we are getting just that. It is an isekai comedy fantasy anime with a female protagonist. You can watch the trailer for the anime on my Instagram, the link will be in the description. The good part is the voice actress for Azusa is the same as voice actress for Kumiko from So I'm a Spider Sword. So I am pretty excited for the anime.
Older, chip all on my shoulder. Told myself I'm never looking back, and now I'm cold and dissonant.
And that concludes my list for top 10 upcoming animes of spring 2021. And I know my list is pretty different from most of you guys. So I want you guys to tell me which anime are you most excited for in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as I will be uploading more anime videos just like this. Do follow me on Instagram as I will be uploading every anime and manga news there. The link will be in the description. And as always, thanks for watching.